How's it going, welders on YouTube? So, an interesting trick that I learned from another welder on the job recently, and this is something that in all of my years of welding in multiple different states, I have never seen this before, and it's actually quite useful and quite obvious when you think about it. I wish I had thought about it at one point. So once again, on my channel, you're getting something that you're not going to find anywhere on Instagram or anywhere on YouTube, so please smash that like button and hit subscribe for more. Oh, and speaking of more, I just recently got back into aerospace, so I'll be giving a very detailed video on an updated video on aerospace weld tests on aluminum, stainless steel, and Inconel. But without further ado, let's move on to the making a cup. So, as you can see, this is a WeldTech cup, just as an example of what we're trying to get to. And these cups normally go for $30 plus, depending on where you get them. And when you buy them, it'll have a screen for the particular tungsten size. I think this one's 3/32. So you'll have to buy extra screens, or not. You'll see in later on in the video how you could even modify these. So, first off are the materials we're going to need to make a cup. So, to start off with, you'll just need a piece of scrap steel, preferably stainless steel, something that won't rust so you don't have to maintain it, and a piece of plastic, and you're going to rough cut this piece of plastic so it's about the size of your pipe, just a little bit bigger, and then some sort of a bolt or something to hold your plastic center where you drill the hole, and then a rotary tool or two. Now I just happen to have an air tool, that's because that's what was at my desk, but you can accomplish the same thing with a lathe or a hand grinder and a drill. So the first thing we're going to do after we cut the rough cut of the plastic, quick close-up on these items. Alright, so this is just making the rough cut, the round rough cut, actually round. So yeah, you get the concept of doing that. This is just the tools I had on hand and how I'm going to do it. So there's a million and one ways to do this. Like I said, if you don't have a turntable, just chuck it up on a drill and you accomplish the exact same thing. The point is to get it round until it fits into the pipe. And I'll scrub through that, and then we should see the finished product here. Now, once you get the plastic to fit into the pipe, you're going to want to further drill that center hole out and tap it so that a gas lens fits inside. Once you do that, you will get some Scotch-Brite and cut out a circle so it fits inside your pipe. That will help further diffuse the gas. And then you'll have to make a retainer ring, and you can do that with stainless steel filler wire that's laying around. And so you'll just take the stainless steel filler wire, wrap it around the outside so you get kind of like a decent shape, and then you can squeeze it and stick it into the inside. And that's pretty much it. How to build a bigger cup for your gas lens, so you can have much greater gas coverage. If you have a really fast travel speed, this really helps out a lot. Or like I said, if you just want a blanket of gas over your work, or to have a really long stick out, these big cups come in handy. And the fact that you can now make one with literally just junk lying around your shop, it's actually pretty useful. So like I said, on my channel, these are things you don't get anywhere else on the internet. This was a tip that I learned that I'd never seen before, and I've been around a lot of welders, but bringing it to you guys. You're welcome. Peace.